Hello and welcome to Timeout tutorials by Teamnetx. In this video, we'll learn how to check whether the Timeout pixel has been properly installed on your website or not. So for Timeout to work on your website, you need to have the Timeout pixel placed on it. So to check whether the Timeout pixel has been properly placed or not, just click on settings. So first let me show you the pixel that you have to add to your website. So this is the Timeout pixel. Simply copy this code and paste it to the head tag of your website. Okay, or if you have a WordPress plugin, simply download the WordPress plugin, and if you want to send this code to your teammate, simply enter the code of your email ID of your teammate, and we'll send the code to your teammate. Okay, now to check whether the pixel has been properly installed on your website or not, simply enter the website URL here. So this is a test account. I have not added the pixel anywhere as of now, so I'll randomly add like this. Okay, so the pixel has not been installed on this website, so let's see what it does when I click on verify installation. So I clicked on verify installation, a window will open up. Okay, it will check whether the pixel has been installed or not, and it shows we are having trouble finding Timeout on your website. So that means the pixel has not been properly installed. Now let me give you an example where the pixel has been installed, so how it will show it. So I have installed the pixel of this account onto my website. Okay, this website. So when I'll click on verify installation, since the pixel is placed, it will show voila, we can affirm that everything is looking and working perfectly. So this is how you can check whether the pixel has been installed to your website or not. So if you need help around anything else, please feel free to reach out to us at support@latex.co. See you. Thank you.